Short essay on garden. A garden is a wonderful place where plants grow and animals and insects thrive. Gardens come in all shapes and sizes and can be found in many different places, such as in your backyard, at a park, or even on a rooftop. Gardens are full of life, and there are many things to do and learn in a garden. For example, you can plant seeds, water plants, pull weeds, and watch as your plants grow and flourish. You can also observe the different insects and animals that call the garden home, such as bees, butterflies, birds, and squirrels. Gardens are not only beautiful and fun, but they also provide many benefits. Plants in a garden produce oxygen, which is important for us to breathe. They also absorb carbon dioxide, a gas that contributes to climate change. Additionally, gardens can provide food for people and animals, such as fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Gardening is a great activity for kids as it teaches them about responsibility, patience, and the natural world. It also provides a sense of accomplishment when they see their plants grow and thrive. Plus, it's a fun way to spend time outside and get some exercise. If you don't have a garden of your own, consider starting one. You can plant seeds in a small pot or container, or even make a garden bed in your backyard. You can also visit a local community garden or park to explore and learn more about plants and nature. In conclusion, gardens are amazing places full of life and wonder. Whether big or small, they provide many benefits and opportunities for learning and fun. So get outside, get your hands dirty, and start exploring the world of gardening. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.